We just finished our defense. So for now, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are watching me from. I am under iambisimai on YouTube. Iambisimai on YouTube. Yes, thank you always coming back to watch my videos. Kindly share, like, and comment. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Today is a special day. As a university graduate, every year or every year final year, you write your research or you do a project work. So before you do a project work, you have something called project proposal. You tell the reason why you want to do that or you want to research on that topic. Today I'm going to campus too. I'm going to campus for my project defense. But it's not only me, we are 3 in the group. So I'll join the other 2 to go and defend there. To go and defend the work. So I'm going to meet them so that we would discuss. We have already discussed, but how we position ourselves when we are presenting the work. I'm going to meet them on campus. We are in campus. We are going to class. We have to let this month. Okay, thank you. So the class is at the top there. So we are going to meet the one on the lecture. The lecture is in already. Oh, we are going to meet him. I'm late. I'm late, Ralph. I'm late. I'm going to meet the man. The gate is too small. I wanted to open, but they still had the man is in, so I'm getting inside for the class. And today we have defense. As a final year student, you write project topic or you do a research before you complete. So our topic we have to send it. Defense. The master is in.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past.
I'm in campus now. We are come to defend. Very soon we complete school, so we are come to defend our project topics. So we are in a keep. We are in a keep to defend or the reason why we want to do a research about the topic that we chose. So now we are in the keep. Some has already entered. And others too are waiting. So if you can see, some people are on the gate. Waiting for the others to come out before they also enter. and others too. If you can see, others too are waiting. So it's lie by lie. As I said, it's lie by lie. So we are waiting for the others to come out, and also you also go, and other people also go. So we are here. You can see students are waiting to get their time to go and defend their work. So we are waiting to go and defend our work. We just finished our defense. So for now, yeah, as I said, the defending, we are finished. So some are still there waiting. You can see the entrance of the room. Some are still there. The guy with white, the guy white top, red track. They are waiting. They are waiting to go in. Yes. So the defending is still ongoing. Others two are out waiting. Others two are out waiting to go. Yeah, I have finished with mine. I have finished with mine. It's three in the group. Three in the group.